vlog today is gonna be a little bit different because we're here at the Ronald Mcdonald's home in Salt Lake City, Utah. This is for all the patients of the Primary Children Hospital. If they are traveling from outside of the state, they come here. So we're gonna be helping them prepare the breakfast. This is for Willis, who's Susana's brother, Eagle Scout. Well, he's doing his Eagle project right now. I think we'll get his Eagle pretty soon. So we have a lot of donations from people from church or from other friends, and we have a few friends that are coming over to help us cook. So this is gonna be interesting. So we're doing this service project to help him, which is pretty cool. So talking to you guys. So I am working here right now. I'm cooking French toast, and I've done 4. Janice, she's Susana's mom. She is doing the bacon right now. Hey, Desiree's putting the bacon. Servicio. Let's go over here so you can see everybody working. Mom's right there.
So can you help me?
Really? Right there, preparing the bacon. Are you gonna cook the bacon?
I don't know if I can do it again. There we go. No, I can't do it anymore.
So just so you know, you can get as much as you want in there's seconds. And once you're done with your food, you can leave your dishes right there and we'll clean it up for you.
Alrighty, thank you.
How you feel, Susana, after helping here your brother with his Eagle project?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Let's see this in the house.
Literally in the Ronald Mcdonald house.
So she works at Chick-fil-A. Well, how you feel working at the Ronald McDonald house? It's like your enemy.
Like at work. With a hairnet and the sink. Yeah.
Wait, ¿esta no la dejo aquí? Or what?
This was a really cool experience cooking for all of them. Janice, ¿cómo te sientes?
Feliz.
Estabas cocinando aquí para la casa de Ronald McDonald's.
Ya.
Incluso
Y lavando todo eso.
oh, ya lavaron todo. So they clean everything. They clean all the dishes, which is pretty cool.
Todo lo que usaron para comer.
Willis is almost done with his Eagle project. That's pretty cool. Are you stressed? Are you nervous? Are you
Relieved. I mean, I'm done now. So.
Guys, remember how it was really hot last time? It is snowing again. So we just came out of
The Ronald McDonald house.
now we were helping there with breakfast, and now now it's snowing. Where are we going? Are we going home? So we're going home. This is a fail. I didn't bring like a jacket like her, like the one she's wearing, because I thought it was not gonna snow. It wasn't really hot, but it was warm enough. We didn't think it was gonna snow, and
Guys,
voila!
let me tell you, every time I tell him to do something, he's like, nope, and I'm always right.
Well, not always. Most of the time.
I'm always right.
Now, snowing forever, non-stop. Right now, it is what time is it? Like 6 p.m. It's snowing since like 8 a.m. non-stop, and now it's snowing a lot. You can see it all over my jacket.
These are like
We're coming to this restaurant. It's a Peruvian restaurant. Susana doesn't want to look the camera. This is snowing so bad, but this Peruvian restaurant is really good, really good. And we're here with Kennedy. This is her first time, like her first time at a Peruvian restaurant. Let's see how it goes.
Guys, we're stuffed. It was so good. Oh my gosh. Are you full?
I ate this too.
What did you think, Heidi? Was it good?
Yeah, I couldn't finish my fries.
Yeah. This isn't even our food. We just sat here. The people left. We didn't even wait for them to clean it.
Well, it was because the restaurant was really full and
Yeah.
it was St. Patrick's Day, so everybody's here drinking.
He's wearing green.
Oh, I'm wearing green. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Like
I'm wearing
army
green too.
That is not
No,
green.
it's
that is
green. You're not wearing green.
Nope. No.
Okay guys, food arrived. This is bistec a la pobre. It's a la pobre like pork bistec or pork steak. I don't know. That's
Pork
how
steak.
they call it in Peru. But poor people in Peru, they eat a lot of food, so this is is that how it is?
No.
I don't even know. That's why
I
you.
think they just call it like poor because it's a lot, and so it's like the opposite of what the name is.
I thought your dad told me that poor people usually eat a ton of food. But anyway, this is ceviche, raw fish, cooked with lemon, and she got the what was it?
Lomo saltado de pollo.
Can you say it again?
Lomo saltado de pollo.
Yeah. She's learning Spanish, so this is a really good restaurant. Review 5 stars. So.
Dad, how are you? How are you, Georgia? You want a high five? Woo! A five. Woo!
Roxy, she's my favorite. Oh, she's so cute. I'm sorry, Georgia, but Roxy is so cute.
Her neck. Yeah, well, her neck is like super wrinkly and like pink. So when she does this,
No dating there.
can you look at me? Look at her neck.